In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link on Wix website 2024. By the end, you'll know how to turn text into a clickable link that points to a page, an external website, a section on the page, the top or bottom of a page, a document, an email address, a phone number, or even a pop-up, and how to choose whether it opens in the same window or a new one. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On your canvas, select the text you want to make clickable. If you need fresh text, open the Add panel, choose Titles, then add a text element to your page, click inside it, and type the words you want to link. Highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link so the link settings apply precisely where you intend. Open the link settings for that text. If you see that it's currently set to None, that just means there's no link attached yet. If a link was already applied and you want to change it, set it to None first to clear it. Now choose the type of link you need. Select Page to send visitors to another page on your site. Pick web address to link to any URL. Be sure to paste a full, secure address starting with HTTPS. Choose Section or Anchor to jump to a specific area on a page. Use top, bottom of page for quick navigation links. Select Document if you want visitors to open or download a file. You can upload a PDF or choose one from your site files. Pick Email to create a clickable email link that opens the visitor's mail app with the address pre-filled. Choose Phone Number to make a tap-to-call link for mobile visitors, and use Pop-up if you want the click to trigger a designed pop-up on your site. After selecting the link type, review the target setting. For external links, it's common to open in a new window so visitors don't lose your site. For internal links, like page, section, or top-bottom, current window generally works well. Confirm your choice, then click Done to apply the link to your highlighted text. If you adjusted a web address and want to double-check, reopen the link settings, confirm the URL, and verify whether it opens in the current window or a new window based on your preference. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Click Publish in the top right corner so your updated links go live on your site. That's it. Your text is now properly linked.